everyone. Today we are going to start a course on computer aided manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing is a widely used tool which is used for analyzing the various operations which are conducted on any workpiece like facing, turning, machining, like milling, etc. So the learning objectives of this video includes, first of all, we would be getting an introduction to NXCAM, learn the basics of manufacturing using the NXCAM. We would be exploring common features and new tabs in the NXCAM, various stages of the CAM product, means finishing operations which are conducted for final product. So these are some of the learning objectives of this video. So let's start the for starting the computer aided manufacturing, we require a computer aided design initially. As you might have learned in the first year of manufacturing technology lab, that for producing any kind of machining operation, we require a reference block or reference workpiece from which we would be analyzing that workpiece to know what kind of machining operations and what kind of tools, what kind of other stuffs, other dimensions we would be requiring for producing another workpiece similar to that. So that's why we require a computer aided design first for the reference purpose. So this is an initial design which is taken as a reference, and we would be creating this design and the blank from the blank surface, that is the workpiece, that might be a hollow cylinder, hollow cube, that would be machined to this process. We would this would act as a reference. So we would be aware that we would be requiring the plain milling tools in this for achieving this kind of operations. Like there is a hole, so we can there might be a hole which is threaded hole. Other kind of means various properties can be analyzed using the reference CAD. Let's start the manufacturing uh, of this part from the blank hollow cylinder. So this is the template view. Before starting any manufacturing process, we require to set the template. There are various kind of templates available which might cover nearly all the manufacturing process which are done in the industries at present. So this why this templates helps us to decide the right fixture for our job, so that we can easily do our machining operations. So let's start up with the general setup. So this window would appear, this window would open. Here you can see the operation navigator. This operation navigator can be set as the main tab which we would be using for creating this machined surface from the blank solid cylinder. This operation navigator consists of 4 tabs, that is the program order, the machine tools, the geometry, and the machining methods. These are 4 components which are included in the operation navigator. So first of all, for creating the any kind of manufacturing process, we would require to prepare the geometry. So see, this MCS mill defines the coordinate system, coordinates of the uh, machine, this coordinates of this workpiece, and this workpiece can be selected for defining the geometry. So we would be specifying the part for the reference. So this part is taken as the reference. Specify the blank. Blank would be the raw part, means that would be the initial workpiece which would be provided. That would be our job. Basically the blank would be our job, and we would be doing the machining operations on that blank to provide the reference geometry. We can take the blank as the bounding cylinder. See, this would be our initial workpiece, and after, and this the enclosed part in this body would be the um, reference geometry. So our geometry is prepared. Now we can go for the other programs as well. We can create the machine tools. So for example, this, for achieving this reference, we have to use various tools. So there are pockets provided on the machine tools. These are various pockets which can hold the tools. We can create tool using this tab. Variety of tools are available here according to our desired operation. This geometry is done. Now program order. We would be doing various operations like threading operations, plane milling operations, turning operations. So all of these are included in this NC program. NC program would include, but one care should be taken by us, that all of the programs used should be in a specific order. The order which have been specified by you would be considered, means would be followed, and in the same manner. So this is the machining methods. This machining method in the operation navigator determines the surface roughness. That is, that the surface would be the surface you desire is rough surface, finished surface, or a semi finished surface. That would be determined by this method. Once all of these processes are completed, then this toolbar would be activated, and we would verify our simulations and paths we have created, operations in the NC programming, by simulating the machine tools, and then our part would be machined, and we would get a required surface. So this was regarding the introduction part. So in the next video we would be starting with a course. Or thanks a lot.